Shape Process Automation. Spanning the globe to lead and serve worldwide. For more than 30 years, Shape Process Automation has continuously advanced the industries it serves, providing a steady stream of innovations in robotics and systems integration, introducing breakthrough cutting and shaping technologies, the latest combining robotics with CNC accuracies, years ahead of alternative technology. In a world of extreme micron tolerances and precious milliseconds, we find ways to do more in less time at less cost. Precisely, repeatedly, with quality assured. Each of our products is designed, developed, and proven in our industry-unique Customer Solution Center before it leaves our laboratories, before installation. Each customer is fully trained in our learning studios before managing the process, and each deliverable assured by our team of dedicated master-certified robotics engineers on call 24/7 to assist online or on-site, on demand. The result? Total customer confidence in every solution we deliver. And now, our newest frontier, solving for all areas of manufacturing, operator efficiencies, material handling, ease of use, process integration, quality inspection, and more. Delivering total custom solutions and ultimate return on investment. Out front in robotics, well ahead of everyone else in overall equipment effectiveness. It's who we are, the worldwide industry leader.